welcome back. Now doing another slime video. I'm not sure how, but I want to let you guys actually see what I'm doing and stuff like that. So I'm gonna try and see if I can end up doing this and mixing and stuff. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Make sure you like and subscribe for more. Okay, so this time we're gonna start with the blue. So let's open the cap up on the blue. Okay, so now that the blue is open, we are going to pour it in the spoon. Okay, you guys never saw this in our studio, but you basically pour it into a spoon. You put it in your mix, and then you pour it outside the spoon. Just to make sure that the spoon and the stuff on the spoon also gets done properly. Okay, now it's time to do our girl favorites. For some of you, some girls like blue like me. So for most girls, we've got that purple. We're going to be adding. Beautiful. Now guys, this is actual slime glue, so I have to be really careful with this. Perfect, hey? Okay, so this isn't slimy yet, but I've got some activator left from last video. Because I made like last video an hour ago about slime. It's just I need to carry on making videos, guys, because I'm trying to become viral on YouTube. It's always been my dream to have 100 subscribers. And if you guys can get me to 100 subscribers, I will literally do whatever. I will be buying things just for videos, and I'll start making like proper videos. Just I don't have the money currently because 100 subscribers isn't really gonna get you anything, is it? Okay, let's stop talking and let's add some slime glue. I think that's enough since I'm running really low now. Oh no, it's not even in our last slime batch. Mix. Oh wow, look at that slime. I'm not going to touch it right now because it's really sticky. And you don't really want sticky slime. You want nice, stretchy, nice slime. So this is my setup, guys. I've got like tons of things. Everything here is all for my YouTube videos. Like I bought this for my YouTube channel not too long ago. Also for my fun, but mainly for YouTube, because I don't really play with slime that often. So yeah, now that we've got our slime, I think it's sticky still. So let's add a little bit more activator, only a little bit. Can't ever add too much slime activator, otherwise it'll be hard and ranky. Oh, there, I figured it out. Okay, so now I'm gonna hold it like that. Sorry guys for that. I'm not the best photographer. But yeah. You're probably wondering why my YouTube channel is named Fortnite Pro. My brother's a Fortnite sweat. This channel was originally made for my brother to play Fortnite, but it was on my phone, so I decided to make my own videos. They're very little Fortnite videos because my brother doesn't play Fortnite that often anymore, so he's not as good as he used to be. He used to be better than a lot of kids. Okay, if you want to know and you want to go against my brother in Fortnite, his username is BoxByThor. He's going to be accepting some friend requests, and he's going to be playing with some people. And you guys will be featured on my videos. And I'm giving a shout out to one of my to a random subscriber And in this video, my shout out to a subscriber is Chloe Pina. And thank you so much for subscribing. You were my first ever subscriber. Thank you so much. I can't believe that you were my first ever subscriber. So that's my first ever shout out, guys. And if you guys want to see any more content, please make sure to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's add our slime to our other slime. And then, as you guys know, if you guys can get me to 100 likes on this or the other video that I made about slime, actually combined, in this video and the last video combined, to 100 subscribers, and I need 30 subscribers, 100 likes and then 30 subscribers, I will be giving the face reveal and all of that. I just need, it's just, Mom doesn't allow me to show my face, so that's why I need quite a lot of subscribers. When I reach 100 subscribers, I'm going to be doing a lot more activities and sporty things because I've already showed my face in videos, and I will be showing you everything in this life that's in my life. The only thing I'll probably never do is a house tour, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoy the video. See you the next time. Bye.